Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this gel nail lamp. As you can see, it's a sun lamp and it is 120 watts. I did do a review on this. I will list the review below, as well as the video where I talked about the nail polishes that I have. So the nail polish that I'm going to use today, of course, is going to be gel nail polish. If you want to do this technique of like the drying quick nails, you're going to want to have to get some gel nail polish along with the gel lamp. Alright, so these are all the colors that came with my gel polish kits, and I love them. So the color that I ended up choosing was that blue right there that I just showed you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the other colors that came. Let me know if you think I should try another color or what. Alright, so you want to start off on dry nails. So I recommend you washing your hands before this just to get all the oil and stuff off of your nails. And what I'm going to do is, well, what I would do is clip my nails first, but my nails are already so short. I had a nervous episode where I bit all my nails off, y'all. So we working with nubs today, okay? But I will come back in a couple weeks once my nails grow out to do another tutorial on gel nails, just so y'all can see how it looks on longer nails. But anyways, as you can see, I'm just filing my nail just to make sure everything is nice and smooth and shaped the way that I want it. All right, so now I'm just using this little cuticle push back thing. It's like a little cuticle tool, but you push your cuticles back and then you use the other part just to clean off the dead skin from your cuticles. And I also use this like to help me clean up excess nail polish if I had some like on my skin or whatever. All right, so I already did one hand completely, as you guys will see here in this next clip. So now I'm just going to start on the other hand. Now, the first thing that you want to do is start off with the foundation. And it's basically a clear coat. You want to apply that on thin, y'all. The thinner you apply this type of nail polish with the foundation and the color, like the better. So I just slapped that on my nail real quick, and then I'm gonna put it under the lamp. I think I ended up setting it for like 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna come back and put the actual polish on. Also, as you can see, this particular gel lamp, like it does cut off once your 30 seconds is up. You have an option to do 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 99 seconds, but I just always do 30 seconds. So here what I'm doing now is I'm going to apply a thin coat of this blue on my nails. Like y'all want it like really nice, thin, and like smooth, like, so that you won't have any lumps at the end. All right, so once I am finished cleaning the extra nail polish off my finger, I'm just going to stick it in my little dryer, and it's going to automatically come on and start counting down. Now, if you get some nail polish on your skin, you want to clean it off before you secure it, which means before you put it in the UV light, under the light, go ahead and clean that extra nail polish off. All right, so like with whatever color that you use, of course, like if it's not light enough or dark enough for you, you just add another coat. So for me, I just added one more coat because, girl, I mean, I thought it was perfect. Like I didn't want to sit there all day and just keep adding coats, which will make it thicker, and that's just not cute to have thick and lumpy nail polish. So yeah, and as y'all can see, I'm using my little um cuticle pusher back thing just to get off the excess on my nails. And y'all, excuse the way my hands look, okay? I have the hands of a working woman, okay? So they're not the cutest, but girl, they cute. So yeah. All right, so as you can see, after you put on, after each coat, you want to go ahead and stick it under the light for 30 seconds. And yeah, so what I'm doing now is just for my ring finger, I'm going to lightly apply this glitter shade over it. And this glitter shade is gel nail polish as well. But for my other nails, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Top It Off top gel polish, which is basically like the top coat. But mine came with a Top It Off matte and then like a Top It Off gloss. I'm using the glossy polish because the other day I used the matte and I really didn't like how it looked on my nails. So that's what I'm doing now, just applying the top coats. Alright, so once I have put it back under the light and secured that, I'm just going to tap it to make sure it's dry. And as y'all can see, ain't nothing coming up, so it's dry. So now I'm putting the Top It Off coat on the top of that glitter finger that I did, because we cannot forget to top that off because you want it just as nice and shiny as the rest of my nails. And for this nail, I did 20 seconds instead of 30 seconds, and it did fine. Alright, so now once you get done, well, once I get done, I'm just going to use some alcohol and just wipe my nails off. And then I'm going to go to the bathroom and wash them. And yeah, that's about it, y'all. Put on some lotion. This is how my nails turned out. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, follow me on Instagram at Slay by Tamia to see more mini tutorials.